Hi guys, this is Lady Boss. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is the most requested video, and that is my hair care routine. As you guys know, my hair is pretty long. You guys have already seen the thumbnail. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. On Insta, you guys always ask me how my hair is so thick and long. The secret is that I don't wash my hair frequently because the natural oils which we have on our scalp is really important for the hair growth and for the thickness of our hair. So don't wash your hair frequently. Also, I wash my hair 2 to 3 times weekly. Before showing the products which I use to maintain my hair, I want to share two things with you guys. Is that my hair is chemically treated. For the past 3 years now, I'm doing smoothing, straightening. It just depends on my mood. So yeah, that is number one. And number two is that I don't use any kind of hair oils, coconut oil or argan oil or castor oil. I don't prefer any oils because few years back I was facing severe hair fall issues. So I went to my dermat and he told me that not to use any kind of hair oils because oils are not meant for my hair type or for my scalp. That's why I don't use any kind of hair oil, so I can't recommend you guys. Also, if you have oily hair type or oily scalp, don't use any kind of hair oils because your natural oil is enough for your hair. And if you have dry scalp, then you can use Parachute ka coconut oil. It is really good, so you can try that. For shampoos, I use two shampoo. First one is this one, which is by Coco Soul Hair and Scalp Cleanser. I received this one in my peer, but this shampoo has changed the game. Now this is not a sponsored video, okay? I really like the packaging. It comes with this pump. Also, this contains 100% organic virgin coconut oil. It really prevents your hair fall. Also make your hair super soft. I just love this one. It is a little expensive. It retails for $7.99, but you know what, it worth every penny, so I'm gonna purchase another bottle for sure. And the second shampoo is by L'Oreal Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Now I don't use this shampoo regularly. I basically use this one when I get dandruffs, and winter में बहुत dandruff हो जाती है, so for that only I got this one. But personally, I don't like this shampoo. It really makes my hair dry, super dry, and it also doesn't remove or reduce your dandruff. But the only good thing is that it prevents your hair fall. So if you are suffering from dandruff and you also have extremely oily hair type, then you can think about this shampoo. Other than that, normal hair type people or oily hair type people like me, you can try the Coco Soul's coconut shampoo. This is really the best shampoo. And dry people, just go for this one, okay? Don't even think about this shampoo. Now comes the hair conditioning part, and I don't use any kind of hair conditioner. As earlier I said, my hair is already chemically treated, so I use a hair mask instead. So this is by L'Oreal Extenso Care Mask, and it also contains keratin. This is how the packaging looks like. This is the bottle. And this is the product, which almost look like conditioner only. So what it does is that it conditions my hair deeply. I already did smoothing and that straightening thing, so it also helps to maintain that straightening effect and smoothens my hair, also nourishes my hair. I just love this one. It retails for 630 rupees, but it really lasts for a very long time. Like, I have pretty long hair, as you guys know, so it lasts me for 6 months. This tub, yeah, it's known as tub. I was calling it. Okay, sorry for that. And I really like this one. Comes the last part, and that is hair serum. You guys know how serums are important for our skin, right? Serums are also important for our hair too, because it helps to get rid of the frizzy hair and also gives you a shine. For the hair serum, I was using this serum which is by L'Oreal Extenso. This was really good and it was suggested by my hairstylist only, so I used that serum for straight 3 years. But recently I switched to the L'Oreal Extraordinary Hair Serum. This is the bottle. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a glass bottle and contains 100 ml product. My Extenso one used to had like 50 ml. On the same price, I'm getting 100 ml double quantity ka products, so I thought why not to invest in this one. Also, many creators were saying good things about this serum, so that is also a reason I got it. This serum is for all hair types, but I think that it is really nice for frizzy hair. Also, I like the consistency. It is really light-weighted and doesn't have that oily feeling, even though it says extraordinary oil serum, but it's not so oily. But don't apply this one गलती से भी on your scalp, otherwise पूरे बाल भी oily हो जाएगी 1-2 दिनों में, so वो ध्यान रखिएगा. Other than that, I really love this one, so you can get this one. So that's all I do for my hair. If you really like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what other videos you want me to do, and I will see you in my next video.